Hello everyone. These are the blinds that we got from Blinds.com. As you can see, we have a very high dormer window, and we purchased the motorized windows from Blind.com, and it comes with a remote control here, which is very easy to use. And you just hold the remote control down for a couple seconds, and then it will automatically lower the blinds. We also purchased the solar panel, which you can kind of see on the bottom sill on the left hand side there, that charges the motorization. Okay, then it stops here. And then you can change the tilt. And if you hold it down for a couple seconds and press on it, it will send it back up. You can stop it. And then you can hold it again. Very easy to use and very easy to install.